guys, this is Priyanka and you're watching Priyanka Vlogs. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for dropping by. Today I have come up with a video about unboxing and review of a 3-burner gas stove from the brand Butterfly. Let me tell you that apart from all the product reviews and unboxing videos, I also make vlogs. These are all kinds of recipe, food, travel and home vlogs. In case you're interested, do check out the link in the description box below. You can check out all the other videos, and in case you like it, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. So let's get on with the video. So as you can see, we are already unboxing the product. It came with a cardboard box and a plastic wrapper along with supporters of thermocol like any other glass items do. And I was really skeptical in buying this. The only reason being that I was using a 2-burner gas stove, a steel burner gas stove so far, and it occupied lesser space on my kitchen top. But then when I ordered a 3-burner gas stove, I was really wondering if it is going to occupy more space, if it is going to be very large. But I was literally impressed to see the size of this product. It is really compact, really slim, and it exactly occupies the same amount of space that my 2-burner gas stove used to. Yes, so in terms of size, I was really satisfied and really happy to see this product. Apart from this, let me tell you that there are many products in the market of a similar kind. Like any 3-burner gas stove, if you go offline, because we did a lot of research, we went to offline stores as well as we searched online. So offline stores obviously have price ranges which are crazily 2 or 3 times more than what you get online. And also online, when you compare the other brands for the same product, it is comparatively much higher. To be very honest, I have never used any product of this brand before, so I have to tell you that the price in itself was a deciding factor for us. It was the cheapest among all the options that we had seen, and that itself was the reason why we had ordered for this. And we wanted to see if it was worth the investment, and I think I've been using it for about more than 2 to 3 weeks now, and I'm really content and really happy with it. And the one difference that I saw in this gas stove is that you have the nozzle not on the beside, like usually you have it on the side of the gas in the steel gas stoves, as much as I know, but here the nozzle is on the vertical side, on the upper side, but it is easier to connect, just like you saw it happened in just within few minutes. Also, I would like to tell you that it is very lightweight. It is really so portable that you can, if you want to shift it, it is easily shiftable, easily movable, very lightweight on that front. Now let's talk about the design of the product. I was really happy with the design as well, because it comes with a very glossy and shiny surface because it is a glass top. But having said that, the glass is not at all a delicate one. It is quite rigid, quite sturdy and strong. Talking about the strength, let's talk also about the capacity of the gas. So one thing or one question that is in the minds of a lot of people who are trying to replace their 2-burner gas stove with a 3-burner gas stove is that what is the number of vessels that I can use, or how many vessels that I can cook in at the same time on the gas stove. Now let me show you with a demonstration that these are vessels which are the size of medium to big, and at the same time you can use all of these sized vessels and you can simultaneously cook in them without any inconvenience. And I have experienced this and I'm sharing it with you guys. Talking about the design, one thing that I forgot to tell you is that this glass top is called the toughened glass. This is a special category of glass specially designed for products like these. And talking about the top, which is very glossy, on the other hand the edges are really matte finished. This is a manual gas stove, so you'll have to use the lighter and the knob in order to light and cook. But at the same time, the knobs are very functional, very smooth and very easy to use. So talking about the cleaning, I use a wet cloth followed by a dry cloth on daily purposes, but once in a while I use the kitchen cleaning liquid, but that is just once in a while, but not necessarily required, because it is easier to clean it with a wet and dry cloth on a daily purpose. So let's take a closer look at the burner. The burner is a brass one and not an iron one. The brass burners have a higher melting point, hence the better heat and better sustainability. Now talking about the circumference of the burner, the middle one is slightly smaller compared to the other two on the top. I think this is a general set of arrangement with any kind of 3-burner gas stove, where the two of them give you larger flames compared to the middle one, which gives you a smaller flame. Also talking about the left hand side of the gas has all kinds of cautions and precautions that you can keep into mind while cooking. Talking about the supporters that you have, it is detachable and easy to clean with any kind of washing liquid. Also, the one below it is not detachable, unlike any other steel gas burners, but it is very easy to clean. Likewise, the liquid does not spill and come down very easy, really very handy. Also, one thing that I forgot to tell you is that the edges of the gas are not sharp. There are no sharp edges. They are all curvy and really nicely finished. So they are very good in terms of protection if you have any kinds of kids around in the kitchen. So finally, let's get back to one main important thing which I have skipped so far, which is the price of the product. So I got this product for about 2300 rupees. There were other products, but again, like I said, the prices were high. There were some which did not have brass burners. So I compared on all the possible details that I could compare, and finally moved on ahead with this. I got it on a discount, so I'm sure there are a lot of discounts and offers happening almost like every day. So you can definitely check it out, because I will be providing the link to this product in the description box below. So click on that link, check it out if the product is good enough for you, and in case you like it, do go ahead with this product, because I personally have been very happy with this product and I think it's going to be a good choice. Do consider it if you want to buy it for yourself or for your family. I got this product, to be very honest, as a gift from my husband. So in case you're deciding to give something to your wife, any special occasions, I think this is perfectly giftable item. But having said that, this is not a sponsored video. These are completely genuine and real views and reviews on the particular product. I don't want to mislead anybody, but so far so good. My experiences have been really nice with this. Also, last but not the least, this product comes with a 1-year warranty and a warranty or a manual card along with this product, so you can definitely read through it. It has all the cautions, directions of use, cleaning, how to clean, and all the other details and queries that you would want in terms of this product. So having said that, this is an end to the video. I hope you guys have liked this video. This could be as honest and as genuine and as basic as possible, depending upon the experiences that I have, and I have shared it with you guys. I hope you liked it. In case you did, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel in case you want to see more of these kinds of unboxing and review videos along with the regular vlogs that I publish. Like I said earlier, I do make other kinds of vlogs as well. Do not forget to check out the videos. The link to all the videos that I have in my channel are in the description box below. All you gotta do is click on the title, and in the description box all of it will be mentioned. Along with that, I have also posted the link for this product. Do get onto that and see all the details. In case you have any comments or queries, you can reach out to me in the comments section below. So yeah, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you're hitting the subscribe button, do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I'm going to publish a video online on YouTube. So until next time, till I come back with another video, another vlog, another review, let's see you soon guys. Take care. Bye.